Foodie is back on the go again. This time I am in New York, actually in East Harlem in New York, and I happen to be at Tastings Social Presents Mountainbird.
We originally started in the 145th, between 7th and 8th. The location used to be an original tasting catering kitchen.
Okay, catering.
And yes, and then after they moved here, we had an opportunity to do our own project over there. So we always wanted to do a restaurant together.
Right.
And that was a dream, and we started 19 seats, a small restaurant over there. Yes.
And y'all have been in this location for about, 3 years now?
Yeah. We love French food, but we're not crazy about heaviness of a lot of butter and the cream. So we try not to use a lot of butter and the cream and try to make it healthier. We have a foie gras dumpling consomme, which is foie gras mousse mixed with whole wheat bread and filled in wonton skin, and then it's in chicken consomme. We have sampler, which we using all the parts from the bird, from cock's comb to the chicken hearts and the gizzard, chicken liver mousse and the wing. Tastes good and looks pretty as well. I just want people to feel happy in soul and body, both ways. So they don't feel like they feel good after they finish their dessert. It's not too heavy.
Keiko, thank you so much again. We're at Mountainbird here in East Harlem, and they are located at 251 East 110th Street, and that's right here in East Harlem. And Keiko, thank you so much, very much for this wonderful interview, and we look forward to joining y'all for dinner tonight and trying some of those menu items that you discussed.